Pupunta ka dyan.
Video.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy. Love you. Kiss Mommy. Kiss Mommy.
Blow. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Hi! So for my birthday, I decided to get myself my very own BTS Lego Dynamite set. This is actually my first ever Lego that I bought just for myself. So usually yung mga Lego, I buy it for the kids, tapos we build together. But for this one, this is really mine. Also, my son didn't want to build it with me because I was fangirling too much. So, for this BTS Lego, ang building companion ko is my daughter, Maya, who also likes BTS and is familiar with some of the songs. Plus, the colors of this set is so appealing. Kaya, she really wanted to help build it. I'm not gonna put any music for this video. I will leave it up to you to play your own BTS songs as you watch it. So I just wanted to share the build with you. So sometimes there's audio, sometimes there's no audio. Just enjoy. Bye. See ya later. Okay, so we're done with the ice cream truck. It's so cute. Yan, super. Gusto ko yung melted ice cream dun sa ibabaw, tapos yung ice cream storage dun sa side. Sobrang cute niya talaga. Strawberry and vanilla. And it even has those small sticks so that the minifigs can hold it. So it's really nice. And then, the first two minifigs that you will build would be V and Jin. Ayan, dalawa na sila sa stage. Dancing. So at this point, kita nyo naman that Maya is a little bit bored already. Well, she hasn't been really a big fan of Lego. It's really Tonyo. So I missed Tonyo, who's my 12-year-old, while doing this. He was also studying for an exam. I just decided to change the angle of the camera just to show the stickers. Super kinakabahan ako to put the stickers, but I love the detail of the albums. Yeah, so I enjoyed putting all the stickers there kahit nakakakaba sila ilagay. Ayan na, nagkaka-form na siya. I really like that basketball thing. And then, my favorite part is the record store. And, you already have 4. With RM and Suga joining them. Here we go. Let's finish this. Napansin nyo ba napalitan ng clothes? That's Tonyo helping me build finally. Right now, I'm building that donut, that big donut. Medyo na-confuse ako ng konti dito kasi may mga angles siya, but it was really cool. Umiikot-ikot pa yung donut na yun doon. Yay! Hindi ko na na-highlight pero kompleto na sila. They're all 7. Everybody's there. All accounted for. So cute. And finally, we are down to the last piece. This is our finishing touch. So all in all, this build took about 5 hours. Kasama na dun yung mga breaks, yung mga nahuhulog na pieces, and pagsaway ng kids. Okay, as always, very happy when finishing a Lego build. Very amazed at the amount of engineering that they invest to these toys. And this one is one of the brightest sets that we have. Another one is the Encanto set, which we also enjoyed building. Thanks for watching.
Say Thanks for watching. If you like Lego, please like and subscribe.